Hello friends, my name is Kulwant Singh and in today's session I will share one wonderful trick with all of you. By using the same you will be able to talk on any given cue card for minimum 2 minutes. Okay, and I observed that most of the students they are not able to talk on any given cue card for the 2 minutes. And how you can do it, that I'm gonna share here. So there is one trick that I have prepared for all of you. The name of the trick is 5W plus 1H. The examiner will give you one question to speak about. Okay, it could be anything related to the place, it could be anything like a object, a gift, or your favorite player, your favorite person, your favorite singer, anything. For every cue card the same trick will be applicable. So as soon as the examiner is giving you cue card, for example, here you have to talk about a beautiful city. If you have to talk about a beautiful city and the examiner will give you 1 minute for the preparation, so this 1 minute you have to utilize wisely, and by wisely what I mean is the first 10 seconds you have to simply write 5 times W and 1H. This W means where, what, who, why, when, and how. So 10 minutes consumed. Now you have to write one hint for all of these. Okay, now you have to associate this question to these question parts. And how you can do it, when you have to talk about a city. So here you can start like, I have visited a plethora of cities in my lifetime, and I found most of them are beautiful, but today I would like to talk about the most beautiful one, and that was Amsterdam in Netherlands. So here you have to spend at least 20 seconds for this question, then move on to the next one. What you have done over there? Who went along with you? Whom did you met over there? You went for some company presentation, or you went to attend for any seminar for your education. Then you have to move to why. Here you have to show your purpose. What was your purpose? Okay, so why did you go there, that you have to explain here. Who went along with you, that you have to explain here. That could be name of any person you can write. But activities, any activity that you have done over here, there, then we'll move to when. Specify the time. And this is not in the sequence. I'm not telling you to follow this sequence, that's up to you. If you have to talk about a person, I will tell you start with who, you take it to the top. If you have to talk about a city, you have to talk about a country, you have to talk about a village, you have to talk about any other location, start with where. If you have to talk about any time in your life, beautiful time, embarrassment feeling time, or any other time, and then you have to start with when. And by following this, your coherence and cohesion will be very smooth. The examiner will understand you are able to speak and generate ideas very smoothly, and that will give a good impression to him to give you good marks. Okay, and one question that we missed here is how. So here you can explain how did you reach over there, that you booked a cab first, then you went to the airport, from airport you had a connecting flight to Dubai, from Dubai to you had another flight to directly to Netherlands. So this way you have to explain it, and your cue card is done. And why I'm telling you that this trick is very useful, because in total you have to talk about maximum 120 seconds in the cue card. So if we break down the main question in these 6 questions, we divide it by 6, it comes about 20 seconds. So now you can easily talk on any of this one by one, and up to the end. Speak about 20 seconds, and by the time you reach how, you will find your 2 minutes are over. The examiner will stop you that it's over, thank you. Okay, so I hope this video will make a big difference in your pattern in how do you deal with the cue cards. And if you still feel any trouble, if you are still struggling to speak on any cue card, I will share my contact number. You can call me anytime. I will tell you, I will explain you how you can speak on this cue card. By the way, I have already shared my contact number on my YouTube channel, but I have written it once again. If you are having any trouble, you contact me on this number. I will explain to you in detail how you can follow it, and this way your nightmare will be over. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this is going to be a very beneficial video for all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.